Hi everybody, this is Miss Gilding. Today I'm going to be reading Oscar's Rotten Birthday by Dan Elliott, illustrated by Norman Chartier, featuring Jim Henson's Sesame Street Muppets. Oscar the Grouch lives in a trash can on Sesame Street. Every day the Mud Man brings Oscar a jar of mud. Oscar loves mud. He also loves rotten eggs and broken toys. Oscar hates pretty flowers. He also hates ice cream and furry kittens. One day, Oscar heard Ernie and Bert talking. "This will be the best birthday party ever," Ernie said. "Yuck! Who is having a party?" asked Oscar. Ernie and Bert smiled. "We can't tell you," they said. "It's a surprise." "Who cares?" yelled Oscar. "I hate birthday parties." Ernie and Bert walked away. Then Oscar remembered. "Oh no," he growled. "Today is my birthday." "I hate parties," he shouted. "I hate party games and presents and birthday songs." But Ernie and Bert were gone. No one heard Oscar. Everyone on Sesame Street was getting ready for Oscar's birthday party. Cookie Monster made a cake all by himself. Now he needed a big cake box. The baker on Sesame Street was happy to help him. Grover was busy in the woods. He was looking for a present for Oscar. "Oh, Oscar will be so happy," said Grover. Big Bird was busy too. He was writing a birthday song for Oscar. "Songs are not easy to write, even for us birds," said Big Bird. Everyone on Sesame Street was busy. Busy finding presents, busy making presents, busy wrapping presents. At last it was time for the party to start. Everyone was ready. Oscar was ready too. He put a sign on his can. It said, "Go away." He put on dark glasses. "When they come," he said, "I won't see them." He put on earmuffs. "When they sing," he said, "I won't hear them." Then he slammed down his lid. Everyone came to the party. Cookie came with his cake. Grover came with his present. Everyone brought something. Big Bird gave everyone a piece of paper. "Here are the words to my new song," he said. Then they all sang, "Rotten birthday to you, rotten birthday to you, rotten birthday, grouchy Oscar, rotten birthday to you." Oscar popped up in his can. "Hey, that's a great song," he said. Grover gave Oscar his present. "I picked them myself," said Grover. Oscar said, "Yuck, flowers." Then he tore off the wrapping paper. Oscar smiled. "It's stinkweed," he said. "Nice, smelly stinkweed. Hey, thanks, Grover." Ernie and Bert gave Oscar 2 broken toys. Betty Lou gave him a bag of peanut shells. There were other presents, too. There was an old sock, a flat tire, a jar of mud, and a broken clock. Then everyone played games. They played pin the tail on the pig, toss the trash in the can, and dunk for rotten apples. When they finished playing, Cookie said, "Time for cake." He gave Oscar the big box. "Ugh," Oscar said. "I hate birthday cakes." Oscar opened the box. There was a big cake inside. A dirty, messy mud cake with 1 broken candle. "Wow, that's a great cake," said Oscar. "Thanks, Cookie Monster." "This is the best, I mean the worst, birthday party ever," said Oscar. Then he frowned. "Hey, I just thought of something awful," he said. "Now I have to wait a whole year until my next rotten birthday." He slammed down his lid, and everyone sang, "Rotten birthday, grouchy Oscar," one more time. Please remember to have your parents subscribe so you never miss a new story. And as always, I miss you, I love you, and I'll speak to you soon.